Maayong araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Zaya and I'm a bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. So we're still doing our BT21 series for this week. So the last time we did Jimmy, here's the screen. So that's BTS Jimin's creation. And for today, we're doing another BT21 character, but this is actually the easiest of them all. So let's check and see what the ingredients are and kung sinong gagawin natin for today. Alright, so for today's creation, we're going to be doing, again, the easiest BT21 character of them all, and that is RJ. So RJ is an alpaca, and he was created by Jin of BTS. So our ingredients, we just need a few ingredients for this one. So we need plain rice, so just the white rice. So this is 1 cup. And then we just need nori. So this is the brand that I use for the nori. So that's Bibigo. I just cut, as you can see here, 2 circles, okay, and then 1 triangle shape for the nose, and then 2 C shapes here, or smile shapes, basta curved lines, 2 curved lines, and then 2 straight lines. So again, for the nori, you need to cut 2 small straight lines, 2 small circles, 1 small triangle, and 2 curved lines, right? For the details. So for the C shape, I actually use this nori puncher here. This is actually one practical tool for those who are starting with bento making. So the nori puncher works just like the regular paper puncher. So instead, you will put the nori sheet here and then just press it like that, and it will create the shape here at the back. So, ginamit ko yung for the eyebrows there. That's how I created the C shapes, right? Then, so rice, nori, and then the last thing that you need is just a little bit of ketchup for the cheeks. And then that's it. And then, I also have for the sides, so Zion's ulam today is chicken fillet. And then for her dessert, I have brownies here. And then I also have the gravy of the chicken fillet. So again, it's your choice what food item you want to put in your kids' baon. It's not necessary that you follow this, so you can put any food item that you want. And then of course, we have our bento box here. So this is the Yum Box Panino again. And this is how it looks like inside. So just the same 5 compartments. So I got this again from brightbrands.ph. And then for our base, we'll be using the wax paper or the cookie sheet. This one. And then of course we have our cling wrap, because we need to mold the rice into the shape of RJ. Okay? So let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is to cut your cling wrap. So cut a portion of the cling wrap. So this is actually one of the secrets to good looking bento creations, because it makes molding easier for you. So like molding the rice. So this is 1 cup of rice. So I'll put it inside the cling wrap. Okay, so again, when you're doing your bento, make sure that your hands are clean, as well as your workspace or your work area. So once you've wrapped the rice inside the cling wrap, just make it compact by pressing it against the kitchen counter or any hard surface that you're working on. So para lang magdikit-dikit yung grains and you won't see the grains at all, so that they stick together. And then, while pressing it, make sure that you're starting to create like an oval or oblong shape like this. Okay? And then, we need to create the lumps ni RJ. As you can see there sa screen, the picture, he looks like a cloud, right? So he has like creases or lumps sa side. So for you to be able to create that, my technique is I only use my hand. So I just press it like that, just to define the lump here. And then do the same for the sides. And then, after that, I use scissors or a knife to clearly define it. So here, you just press it against the rice and press it in the area where you want the lumps to be. So you can use scissors, chopsticks, or what have you there. So this just makes it clearly defined, yung lines or yung lumps ni RJ, because he looks like a cloud. So I'll show you here. You can see in the screen, when you use scissors, knife, or any sharp object, then you can just press it like this. Or again, you can use your finger, but it wouldn't be clearly defined as when you're using a tool like this. So just continue to press it until you see that the lumps are forming. So I call them lumps. I don't know how you call it, but yeah, here. Okay? So, ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So it will look like this. Okay? So we'll start putting together our bento. Alright, we're setting aside the rice first, and then we'll create or put together our bento. So we just use this wax paper as a base. So you can use lettuce for the base, or kahit walang base because the yum box already has design. So I normally use a base because it's easier for me to wash the yum box. So I'm just cutting it so that it will fit our yum box compartment in a square. Okay, here, we'll just put it here. Kasi sometimes when the rice is sticky, it tends to also leave marks here in the compartment. So it's easier if you have a base. Okay. And then I'll just put the sides first before putting together our bento character. So this is chicken fillet, and then here below is the brownies. Okay. And then here, in the smallest compartment, I'll just put the gravy. So the good thing about the yum box is that it's leak-proof. So when your kids would already go to school, even though you have liquids here like soups, ulam na may sabaw, that's fine. It will not spill. So we will be putting our rice, okay, that we've created. So as you can see, the lines, nung lumps are already clearly defined because we used scissors for this one. So I just press it like that. So I'll just put it now. So I'll just turn it over here so that I can see it. Okay. And then we'll now put the nori that we cut here for RJ's details. Alright, so we've already put the details, and then we'll just use our ketchup. So here, I'll just get a toothpick because RJ has like blush sa cheeks. So we'll just put a little bit of ketchup. Okay, here. And then here's the other side. So this is very easy because you're just gonna be using rice and nori for your ingredients. You can also use pink food color if you want. Okay. But this is the easiest, so we're just using ketchup. So we'll just put our bento sticks. Okay, so here's the finished product. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed doing this easiest na BT21 character bento. If you did enjoy, please like and share this video para mas marami pang mag-try mag-bentoing. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!